Hello and welcome to a short presentation on the measurement of hot and cold water installation from Duncan Cartledge Online. This short presentation will look at taking off quantities for domestic scale hot and cold water installation. Now, for many quantity surveyors, the measurement of services is something of a dark art and to be avoided. NOM 2 Work Section 38 covers the measurement of mechanical services. This is a schematic of a typical domestic hot and cold water installation running from a combi boiler. Cold water supply can be taken from the water shut-off valve contained within the building. The cold water is taken from the shut-off valve and circulated around the appliances. Hot water will then be produced by the boiler and circulated around the appliances and radiators. In practice, it's no more difficult than any other trade. There are three main parts to a domestic mechanical installation. At one end of the system is the primary equipment, in this case the boiler. At the other end is the terminal equipment, the radiators or sanitary ware, with pipework in between. NRM 2 allows for primary and terminal equipment to be enumerated and pipework to be measured in linear meters. Note that the location of the equipment must be given. The Notes section gives definitions of primary and terminal equipment. Pipework needs to change direction, therefore a variety of fittings will also be needed. When measuring pipework, the taker-off has a choice of how to allow for fittings. When information, thus to say schematics etc., are unavailable, fittings can be included in the running length of the pipe. Alternatively, when information is available, fittings can be measured and enumerated separately. Pipework descriptions need to include details of jointing and installation location. This has been a short excerpt from the full version on how to measure mechanical services. As always, for the complete picture and 9 hours of video tutorials on measurement, cost advice, estimating, and project and contract management, go to Duncan Cartledge Online. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our podcasts.